Commissioner will give details on everything. Then there will be a show of hands. Any discussion they have, we are free to have after.
मला स्मार्ट सिटी उडवून पळय तू एक मेयर आसा की सगळ्यात पावरफुल मेयर आमच्या हिस्ट्रीन तुका सगळे तुका गव्हर्नमेंट सायड करता तुका एक मेजॉरिटी आसा काय ना पण प्रॉब्लेम ना तुका ते म्हणजे आसा मेयर जेची फाटल्या मेयर जावन गेल्या ताका कितें करून त्याला ओपोजिशन आसतलें ताका फुडले पुंडलीक रावते आसा मिनी निकू वैदवी शुभम आतां उलयना आतां तर कोणाक तरी तुका वचना शुभम सगळे सांगता सगळ्यात जाण तेन्ना म्हणजे ओपोजिशन आसलें तशी तुका ना म्हणला एक मागे म्हणला उलयना स्मार्ट सिटीचेर जाता रस्ते पळय कितें आला ते सगळे स्टार्टींग तुका विमानतळ तास तूं काकुनो वच सगळे फुडला काम थंय बंद आसा अक्षरशः काम बंद आसा तुमी सगळे जाणांक पयला आसतले तुका पयला सगळे काम अक्षरशः बंद आसा काम पळय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक तेका पावून आमच्या सारक्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक दिता
Competitive rates by the tender towards collection of parking fees for reverses from Navakar for the period of 3 years from 15 to 2020 to 14 to 2023. So as the pay parking tender was supposed to get over in February 2023, the council at the ordinary participation meeting held on 27/1/2023 resolved to extend the validity of the tender by another 6 months on the same terms and conditions as per the existing contract. Further, the administrative section was directed to initiate new tendering process. Councillors have given suggestions that possible to given residents without parking to park a car without payment of fees and also to issue passes to the government vehicles. These suggestions were incorporated in the new tender, where it specified that residential passes will be issued for residential house, only one for old house or premises which does not have parking provisions. And to issue one parking pass to government vehicle that is of the HOD who will be exempted from payment of parking fees. At the ordinary meeting held on 19/5/2023, two councillors opposed the extension that was given to the contractor, namely Shri Sri Sutaro and Shri Uday Bhattaikar. They said that extension letter should be resolved as the objective to the extension of the term of the state parking contract. The minutes of the meeting held on 27/1/2023 were confirmed. The fresh tendering process was initiated. Tender was published on 7th of July, opened on 4th of August. Highest bid was from John Dwarka at 2.16 crores. The work order was delayed because of non-submission of bank guarantee. Office wrote for him to submit the bank guarantee security deposit. Mr. Dwarka has submitted the bank guarantee of 60% of the bid amount, that is of 1,29,60,000 on 30th of August. He has already submitted. Further, he has paid security deposit amounting of rupees 21,60,000, which is 10% of the bid amount. Already in our possession. It may be noted that the bid amount is for a period of 3 years, with effect from 15 August 2023 to 14 August 2026. The bank guarantee and security deposit submitted by the contractor is of this 3-year period, starting from 15/8/2023 to 14/8/2026. The agreement will be signed with effect from 15/8/2023. As the bank guarantee security deposit has been received for this period, which is starting on 15 August 2023. Also, the payments will be made to the corporation regularly as per the research calendar. There is no loss cost to the corporation. The corporation technically has 70% of the bid amount itself in terms of the bank guarantee and the security deposit, which comes to total 70%. If the tender process is cancelled, it will use that we have to surrender the bank guarantee and security deposit, and the corporation will be forced to undertake collection of account fees for pay parking fees with immediate effect. It is not possible administratively to initiate fees departmentally by use of municipal workers as it will be added to divert municipal workers from essential services like road to garbage collection and urban sanitation. Hiring more workers will put a strain on municipal financial head. And then the other exercise of paid parking non-viable. We have to just stop paid parking. So now it is placed before the corporation to grant approval the signing of the agreement with effect from 15th of August 2023.
And first, to agree, everyone, you say what you want. Everything.
That you have tendered the pay parking. Can you tell me whether this tender process came before the corporation? Which date? 27th January? No, it not come. No, I'm telling you it not come, and I'm talking about the new tender. You tender the paper. No, you tender. Okay, yes. Okay. Then tell me one thing. After 6 months of the contract getting over, is it the duty of the contractor to collect the fees? It got over on August, the date of August.
He has already paid the security deposit, he has already paid rent guarantee.
No, but how much you get it? You will get it. No, but without the process, he can start. Because I will tell you, Mr. Commissioner, I will tell you, there was one councillor here by name Nagesh Karshetty. You see, he was a councillor.
So let me mention what happened in 2016 when he was the mayor of Punjab.
Yes.
That was the time when there was default by the contractor.
Yes.
And they had recommended termination of the contract. And we had put a remark that the present contract should continue as there be chaos if the contract is terminated.
Council and
No,
scientific
no.
and market committee.
This is a note for me which has come to the corporation.
No, we have signed
No, please understand, Mr. Commissioner, there is my note in the file. Then after that, the commissioner had brought it before the corporation meeting. Yes, there are minutes. They are not showing. Show me the minutes. I don't have to bring. Since you brought this thing, you should bring the minutes. Suresh Sudhakar does it on behalf of the corporation. Please understand.
People good, man.
Please.
Okay. This is enough. Council, don't
No, please.
I'm calling for a raise of hand to support the
I want to know.
Please raise your hand for this.
I want to know whether this has happened.
No, do you have any objection? Commission is getting more money at the same rate. What is your problem exactly? Do you have objection?
ते कंडिशन असतात
आम्ही काय नको?
प्रॉपर मार्किंग असून जाय प्रॉपर
बोर्ड असून जाय.
बोर्ड असून जाय वॉट आर एग्रीमेंट टर्म्स अँड कंडिशन हांवें लास्ट टायम टेंडर केल्लो पळय हांवें केल्लो
No, that topic you are doing.
ना ना या आय नो दॅट बट प्लीज ब्रिंग इट टू द
Bring it to council. Why do you want to council?
That will be terms and conditions.
But yours to discuss it, approve, we cannot approve it without a draft agreement. Very simple.
Yeah, like what you want.
How will you know what the
You wait for the council What is your objection? What is the land first? What is your objection? Yes, agreement is the same as you said. You certainly go there. Then what is the point?
what is there in the draft?
You want to point out
There it is your same draft. Just passing for that. So please explain to people to do it yourself first.
No, they are not saying they don't want pay parking. They are only asking you follow the procedure.
Here we are followed by what is happening. Do your research first.
How can we trust you on that?
Who after the press conference, I'll tell you exactly who to trust and who not to trust. If you can do that, then I'll. Don't sit down. You're calling me a liar. I can easily point out 10 things that you have done also. Don't let me
All I'm asking you is when you want to approve it, you have to bring the draft agreement. Where is the draft? Cannot object the everybody
been illegally collecting all this by unless you got to the council meeting, we are only bringing you the notice of the
In 2016-17, and in 2016-17, the revenue was the estimated the amount of the tender was 60 lakhs. The highest bid received was 52 lakhs. So that time the then commissioner said it is less, so we should retender. It was not well before the council took his decision approved by the mayor. Mayor said you have to do it for 75 lakhs. Mayor came afterwards, nobody bid. Then mayor revised it to 60 lakhs again. Mayor put it to 60 lakhs and then tendering was done. When then tendering was done, the highest bid was of 48 lakhs. So you said we will not do this thing, tendering, we will not do it also, we will collect it departmentally. So we collected departmentally and the collection was 40 lakhs. Now this tender included your free parking, included your software affairs, everything. So you collected 40 lakhs departmentally using municipal workers. Now if it was given first for 52 lakhs, you have made a profit, it was the loss to the corporation by using our workers. When we use our workers, we have to pay the salaries, we pay the
See, by being paid 1.5 crore, 40 lakhs, 40 lakhs, that is a scam of 1 crore has gone to benefit certain people. That is what we are talking about.
doubting the commissioner Sandeep Rodrigues for the
Where are you? I think also.
who was the commissioner?
You don't even know.
He was the commissioner. Deepak Desai. So what we have said, after that, the
So what happens is,
When you show on the press proof, everything that he has done, everything, and only 2 files, besides 2 files, and the amount is 2.5 crores for 2 files. When he is accusing us of for 75 lakhs, he rejected our offer tender. Only 75. Here he is sending for 60 lakhs and collected 40 lakhs. That is what the mayor has done.
1960, wait, 1960.
We are going to show a back to paper.
1916, what was the rate? 1916, what was the rate?
They put it to vote. You have voted for pay parking.
One point, Commissioner, you are saying that they have paid the bank guarantee.
అవును సంక్రాంతి సోలికల్లా ముడున్ నాగేష్ కరిశెట్టి who was a councillor, when the tender expired, he started collecting. It was during Tony Rodrigues' time, who was the mayor. Then they immediately filed a police case and arrested him because why? Tender was over. In spite of the tender being over, this thing. Now, I want to tell you about this pay parking during my time. We tendered it twice, nobody was coming because there was a cartel. There was a cartel here which we wanted to break. Nobody was coming to take the pay parking. Hence it was decided that CCP will collect it, not Suren Futat or anybody. It was till date CCP was collecting. During my tenure, first time we done the pay parking, he was a person from Margao. That fellow gave his 6 checks to the administrative department. It was kept pending with Mr. Narayan. Then when we came to know that for 6 months checks were not put, got a point? Commissioner told him to deposit the check, it bounced of the contractor. When it bounced, we cancelled his contract and made a case against him which is still going on. Suren Furtado never does on his own. Mayor brings it to the corporation and the corporation decides. Next time it comes for the confirmation. After the confirmation, the commissioner sends it to the government. Once the government approves, then it goes for tendering. Was anything of this done? Was it sent to who is this contractor? Who is it related to him? I don't know. Suren Furtado's book is open. Since no contractors came, there was a mafia not to tender. That's why we decided that CCP should this thing. And same thing with SOPA. For last 15 years, SOPA was also being collected by CCP. First it was Neville Almeida, now who's gone to London, and Dulba. These were the two people who were collecting the SOPA. Then it became Santosh Ambudkar. So till date, CCP is collecting. Now, last 2 meetings before that, the market, and during my tenure, the second tenure, Mr. Uday Madkakar is the chairman of market committee. For the first tenure, it was Dilip Shirodkar, not Dilip. Pamala. Huh? No. Shirodkar Ramjo. Councillor. Pamala. Milind Shirodkar. For 2 terms, he was during my first term. My second term, my honorable corporator Uday Madkakar was the chairman of the market committee. He knows everything, how it works.
Just Mayor has said that because of you, 1 CR has been lost.
He's talking any rubbish because they have not taken a resolution for extension properly. Even while tendering, it has to come to the corporation. They didn't hurry because they wanted to help only one person.
January under the meeting.
See, we have raised,
Yes, we have raised so many times.
we have raised one important point as far as today's meeting. Why are you approving it now? Did they already know that they were getting the contract? If so, why you have brought it here for approval?
Yes,
There is
why
something
did
very fishy here.
Very fishy. Why did he bring the approval now? If everything is there, why bring it? And that is from Times of India. I will show you. Times of India says, I have given rupees 2 crores as bank guarantee and paid security deposit rupees 40 lakhs to the CCP. The city corporation has taken money from me and there is nothing illegal. Everything is on paper. Zuarkar said, I think only the agreement is awaited. Only the agreement is awaited. But I can confirm that all the other formalities are done. He said, I am a law-abiding citizen. I don't do anything illegal. The CCP gets rupees 15 to 20 lakhs on an average every month for the pay parking contractor. These need to be confirmed. How can he pay a bank guarantee of 2 crores and a 40 lakh deposit in advance
Without the approval
without
of the
the
corporation?
tender being open? He said that he is only waiting for an agreement to be signed. So it is taken for granted that he is alone and will win the tender. Got a point? See, we are not against anybody. We want fun. They are saying,
All we are asking for
they are saying that my time SOPA was less. You tell me, 8 years back, tomatoes were 10 rupees kilo. Today is 100 rupees kilo. So you are considering that that rate and this rate to be same. They are saying that I have argued the other day, per day, whatever came per day, it was the chairman of the market, Bento, has said, we are getting 26,000 rupees per day. If 26,000 rupees into 12 months come to so much, and from 12 months into 1 year come to so much, then afterwards wholesale market in the early morning at 4 o'clock, there we get 3,000. So based on that, it was coming to 84,000. So they are saying, I am saying 84,000. My time, why it came less? Are 8 years back, what was the rate of sugar and tomato and other things?
So the whole controversy is totally unfounded. You see, as I spoke in the meeting, the previous 3-year term got over on 14th of February 2023. So before that we had a meeting on 27th of January. So in the minutes of the meeting it is recorded that the existing tender contract which is there will be continued for another 6 months. There were suggestions from the councillors. They said you give passes to residents who do not have parking slots. Some houses are there in Panjim which do not have a in-house parking slot. Plus regarding government vehicles also which are there. So that provision also we had to make. And accordingly after that, 19th of May there was another meeting which took place. Two councillors had objected. So there are 30 councillors over here. So that objection was recorded, and the minutes of the meeting which took place on 27th were confirmed. Now we initiated a tendering process. On 7th July, the tender was published. Tender was opened on 4th of August, well before the expiry of the 6-month term which was there. So tender was opened. So Mr. Zavarkar offered the highest bid at rupees 2.16 crores. So he had to submit bank guarantee and security deposit. So we wrote to him. Subsequently he submitted on 30th of August. So there was a slight delay, but he submitted 60% of the bid amount, bank guarantee of 60% of the bid amount, that is 1,29,60,000. So we have that bank guarantee with us. Plus he has submitted security deposit of 21,60,000, which is 10% of the bid amount. So technically 70% of the bid amount I am still holding on to. So since he has already given to me bank guarantee for this entire period starts from 15th August. Okay, he is not saying I am going to start from 1st of October or 1st of November. No, he has already paid for this period. Now, as some councillors opposing, we had to go and say, okay, fine, we cancel it. I would have caused a loss to the corporation. This has happened, as I'll tell you, in the meeting also I spoke, in 2016-17, there was a tender for 60 lakhs which was floated. The highest bid was 52 lakhs. He felt that the bid was less. They said, let's retender. And so they went for 75 lakhs as the bid amount, and nobody bid that time. Again, we reduced it to 60 lakhs. Mr. Suren Purzada, when he was the mayor. So it came to, at that time, the highest bid was 48 lakhs. So initially it was 52 lakhs for 60 lakhs bid amount. Now tender amount was 60 lakhs again, but the bid what was there was reduced by 4 lakhs. It came to 48, and then they said we will bid departmentally using our own workers. They deployed and they collected only 40 lakhs total. See, when you say 40 lakhs, that 40 lakhs is not a net gain to the corporation. You pay on the salaries, you pay on the POS machines. All these costs have to be taken into account. So the net gain will be what, 30 lakhs? So what we would have got 52 lakhs earlier came down to 30 lakhs. It is a loss to the corporation.
That's what I'm saying. See now.
So again, now.
One second. See, that's what I'm saying now. Suren himself has given, where now when we wanted to tender for 75 lakhs, he called it a scam. So when Suren himself tendered it for 60 lakhs, that apparently is okay. And when he collected only 40 lakhs, that is even better. But better for Suren. It is not good for the corporation. It is not good for the people of Panjim. It was good only for Suren. Now what we have done basically in every instance, we have taken the interests of the corporation at heart. We have collected more money than any other previous mayor. All our numbers are here. Now, ever since we have all our documents from, I got a date. Now, because Suren had accused us, I checked every single year. Now, if you look at 2013 to his tenure in 2019, after each and every year, the tender amounts have gone down. And this is not only market collection stopper, this is market collection stopper, plus parking in the market, plus all our ferries, where we have collected 90 lakhs and 50 lakhs and all of those things. He has collected 40 lakhs. Only 40 lakhs. That means this scam has been happening since he was mayor, from 2013 till the last time he was a thing as a mayor, which is around how many? It's crores of rupees. I mean, his ward only. Your press make an issue about flooding every year. That Stellamari is the only area this year that flooded badly. With 3.5 crores, I could have solved that issue. Here I am going begging, asking WRD, asking all these departments to get work done. Here the money is going in his pocket, so he can go to Portugal and so he can have a good time. And how is this fair also now? Every instance we have looked after the corporation. Our CCP building, which he tried to sabotage, we would have generated crores. Even if we save, say 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs on salaries, all of that money, could go towards the development of a thing. So our corporators, will not have to rely on the government. So we will be financially stable. So we can reduce taxes for the people. In 2016, he raised taxes. Now CCP is in the case and is liable for 100 crores. You see him taking responsibility for all of this. He is quick to blame everyone. He'll blame commissioner. He'll blame his employees. So basically, you sitting on the chair is useless. You sat here, you made your crores, and you went home. And now you're making a noise trying to cover that up. That is not how it works, no. All of us, we have proof. Where he has only accused us, I can show you notings. Where he has not taken government permission. Where he has not taken council approval. Where he has disregarded the council. Where he has made money. It is written on the files. Hurry, on one file, he is such a rush to make money. He issued a tender amount, minimum bid of 90,000. When it should have been 90 lakhs. That also he probably wanted to pocket also now. You clarify now what is this? All the other things. We'll show you the notings and everything also.
This issue is about pay parking, so there is no lost cause absolutely. And if you say that you should just stop him, use municipal workers to collect, who will collect garbage? Who will sweep the streets? I'll have to divert those workers from door-to-door garbage collection and street sweeping, whatever is there. I'll have to divert those workers on to collect pay parking fees. How it is going to benefit the corporation? Okay, you want me to hire more workers just for pay parking? Then I have to have workers in 3 shifts. I have to see that they work only for 8 hours because they'll be municipal employees then. Then three shifts meaning whatever, say 30 workers multiplied by whatever 3 shifts, and then the 3-year period. You see how much out go with that. Corporation will bleed only on salaries. Corresponding revenue will not be there only hardly. It will render the whole pay parking process unviable. So just to say that there is a scam, this is all utter rubbish, I would say. Because I am speaking on the basis of facts. Here, person has deposited the money.
No, they only say that they have no objection for the pay parking. They say that you have not followed the procedure.
Here, the matter came before the corporation on 27th of January. It is minuted. Minutes were confirmed on 19th of May. He was present for the meeting over there. 19th May minutes were confirmed. 2 objections were noted. 2 objections versus 30, right? So minutes were confirmed. When minutes were confirmed with only 2 suggestions, that we need to take care of the citizens, the pension residents who do not have parking facilities for them, and the government vehicles which are there. So these 2 things were incorporated in the new tender. So, and what else you want more?
And they were demanding for the draft for this.
See, Baba, see, I'll
Has
explain.
it come before? The draft, was the draft placed before in the last 10
See,
years?
he has not put anything in the council meeting. That is what we are trying to say also now. See, the draft, we have taken Uday's draft.
It's the same draft.
It's the same draft. And we have
Just,
added.
just 2 additions.
That is it. We have, and in fact, the corporation has made more money and taken more money from the contractor without raising fees. Now, he could easily have raised an objection, done it during his time also. No, why he didn't do it?
More fees. There's
See,
no-
we have proof of everything. And these are 2 files that we have. 2 files after looking for only 1 day. And when he was mayor for 5 years, God knows how many files he must have signed and what other scams he must have think. He is the most corrupt mayor that we've ever seen. And he has no qualms, about throwing the people of Panjim under the bus.
So the final parking, this tender has been sanctioned by corporation.
See, this was signed. We had taken an extension of 6 months. After that, contractor paid all the deposit. It is regularized.
There for 3 years,
Yeah.
from 15 to 2020 to 14 to 2023. I'll give you copies of the minutes of the meeting of 27 January when it was discussed, and 19th of May also. You take the copies of the minutes which are signed by the presiding officer, Honorable Mayor. They were circulated to all. So it has come before the corporation. Just to say it has not come before the corporation, it is a blatant lie.
See, this is what he is good at, I'm telling you.
These 6 months, after 6 months, no, you have given corporation.
See, he has already paid the amount. There is no loss to the corporation at all. We have made more money, in fact, also.
14th of August, the old 6 months extension. The new period should start from 15th of August. Tender was opened on 4th of August. So he has deposited security deposit for the period starting from 15th of August. Security deposit, performance guarantee has been, bank guarantee has been deposited for the period from 15th of August. I mean, the date the period of the contract was supposed to start. Plus the security deposit also has been deposited with for that period from 15th August. So that money has been deposited now. So if I am saying, okay, you wait for this thing, order to collect it. So 1 month, who will collect the pay parking? I'll have to refund this amount,
security deposit refund, it will cause a loss to the corporation. I cannot divert workers from solid waste management and city cleanliness to pay parking over there.
See, what Commissioner has explained also now, if now the CCP was to do the tender, it was to collect pay parking itself. It would cost us 100 workers at 5 crores. Now already we are burdened by high staff costs, okay? Now if we have to do that ourselves, that means we have to hire more staff. Who will that pass on to? We will have, the corporation will have to pay our staff salaries. That will come from where? From taxes. Because during his tenure also, he never bothered to solve any major thing. Our CCB building now, which has happened after 7 years, he made an issue about that. This building itself will generate us crores, which means I have more money for the people of Panjim. No, here he wants to spend money while taking money out of the pockets of people. And here we're trying to put that money back. That is the only difference between us and him. He actually is the most corrupt mayor that we have ever seen. And it's because nobody highlighted it, that nobody knew. Now because he started interfering with all of our work and the good job they were trying to do in Panjim also now, no, I don't think it is time for us to keep quiet. All the details will come out now. I will appoint an internal officer, and I'm writing to Vigilance and the UD department. Like how he has written to the minister to ask the minister to take action against us. I hope that the minister does the same thing against him also.
Finally, what is the budget that you
2 crores something we got.
For 1 year or 3 years it is?
3 year parking it is.
3 years, but.
See that even the market SOPA also, even that I intend to tender.
2 crores
because
for
this-
3 years?
For 3 years. It is more than what we've collected in the previous years also. Not one case the corporation ever lost money, under my tenure at least. In his tenure we've lost crores. Now even the market SOPAs I also intend on in tendering it. Because all of that money now should come to the corporation and should not go to other third party people also. That's all I have to say. All the details I will submit to you, including notings of his thing.